Number 3. You should see her sculpting. You made me lose it. I can't think it was a burp. Yep, amazing. Hope it's my team down. You're getting better. I taught you well. Yeah, sure.
This is probably bad that we took this down.
Yeah, like 3 minutes. That's what it was that had me last night. Like the weirdest chicks. Hey, the first video that we made years ago. Yeah. Oh, earlier today when we were walking back from Partners, me and us did. Sometimes. I'm done. Hey, I found where I put my phone. I finished my coat less than 3 minutes. $3.40. You finished your coat. That's where all that's all coming out. Yeah, they always come after. Are you done? Hold on. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, bye.